everybody, it's Master Trainer Jennifer Nicole Lee, queen of at-home webcam workouts. Been teaching online for over 5 years now. I'm going to share with you one of my favorite go-to moves when I have to hit the quads, when I want quadzilla, and also earth shake, booty quake. Grab your kettlebell, grab her by the horns, give me a swing, grab it, front goblet squat. Let's do it again. Now when you squat low, aim to have those elbows hit the knees, core tight, vacuum in those abs. I don't want to see no kangaroo pouch. Watch this. If you want to spice it up, you can go one arm. Woo, I'm feeling it in my core. Yeah, it's a little bit of cardio too. If you want more at-home workouts, you know where to find me. jnlvip.com. Your first month is only $1. Yes, 4 quarters. No excuses. Let's get it. Woo, that burns.